Okay, let's take a look at these two square roots that we're going to simplify. When I look for square root of 32 over here, I see that it's somewhere between 5 squared and 6 squared. It's not a perfect square, so I need to start looking for smaller numbers that will divide by 32. 32 does not divide by 25. I would get a decimal if I did that, but 32 does divide by 16. So I could say this is the square root of 16 times the square root of 2. If you go to your calculator, you would just do 32 divided by 16, and you'll see that it's 2. Well, 16 is a perfect square. It's 4 squared. So square root of 16 is 4. And then if I look at 2 over here, it's not a perfect square. It's not up there. So that means it just stays the way it is. So the square root of 32 simplifies to 4 times the square root of 2. All right, let's try square root of 27. Let me erase all this stuff over here and give us a fresh start. So 27 is between 25 and 36, so it's not a perfect square. So I need to start here and start going up until I get to something that it will divide by. 27 does not divide by 25. 27 divided by 16 doesn't work. Oh, 27 divided by 9 works. So 27 divided by 9 is 3. So I can write this as the square root of 9 times the square root of 3. Well, the square root of 9 is 3. And the square root of 3 is not a perfect square. So that means it just stays the way it is. So square root of 27 can be rewritten as 3 square root of 3.